Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Isa Jean. It's been a long time na miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko mag-vlog actually. So today, I'm here in Ras Al Khaimah, here in Almira Arab Resort. Something like that. So, because it's my dearest friend birthday today, Leslie. So, happy birthday to you, Leslie. And thanks for inviting me here. So, dito ako ngayon sa hotel. So, nandito ako sa terrace. As you can see sa harap, eto, ayan. Yeah, may pa-beach dyan, diba? In fairness naman. Medyo mainit lang, pero carry bells naman. Kasi aircon naman dito sa loob. So, let me tour you around and makita yung makasama ko dito. As usual, yung mga dati nakikita nyo sa mga vlogs ko, makasama ko sa work. Sila din naman yun nandito. So, let's go inside. Post na natin, mainit. Oh my God. So, ayun sila. Yan. Actually, ito yung isang master bedroom. Ayan. May pa kulambu sa taas. In fairness, maganda naman dito. Very spacious. And, yon. So, busy sila. Ayan, nag-ready sila. Yan si Apple, tagagawa ng balloon. And si Mamu. Mamaya, ang team namin is 80s. So, si Sheng, ba't ka tumatawa?
Kasi ikaw eh.
Ay, dyan pala yung pa-picture.
Dito nga.
Sabi ko nga, hindi ko na-realize. Hindi ko siya ma-appreciate kasi magulo pa siya. So, ayan kami.
Grabe ka kung makamagulo ka dyan.
Kasi makalat pa, diba? Totoo naman, no? So, ayan, no? Balloons everywhere. Yeah, I will. Later. And si Madam, busy-busy. Madam. Max. Kala mo, may pagod na pagod yan. Magkasabi yung Dodi. So, ito yung mga souvenir. Ano ba to, sis? Alak ba yan?
Yeah, one shot. Ano to?
Okay.
Dito si Papa eh.
Ayan.
This is from one of my favorite butcheries, yeah?
Oh, yeah. From Africa.
Yeah, from Africa.
Oh.
Talagang nakita talaga yung...
Siyempre, ayan o. Pa. Si Mother, aming cameraman for today. And si Apple, pang-babies niya. Oh. And si Mamo. O, di ba pahuli? O, di ba Pak? Si Emeline, andun. Wow! Si Eve. Hi! Siyempre, ang aking outfit. Pak, and the shoes. First time ko maganda mag-outfit ng 80s. Happy, happy, happy birthday! Maligaya! Maligaya!
Okay.
Okay, blow! Make a wish! Yay! Kiss, kiss, kiss! Speech! Woohoo!
Speech.
Iiyak na yan.
I would like to thank everybody for all your presents. Actually, this meant so much to me. Nag-grammar is correct. So it means so much to me, and just taking your time and having an effort of knowing what to wear, that means a lot. You know, no material things could ever replace this happiness in my heart that not only I have a family but friends that are really good to me. Friends are hard to find.
Kiss! Kiss! Wala ba lang mag kiss? Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Yay! Happy birthday! Open it! Open it!
100,000
Open it!
Trip to South Africa.
Yeah, happy birthday!
Para makagawa na kayo.
Para makagawa ng baby.
Bill lang, Dewa.
Bill na bahay. Ikaw na magpapayag this man.
Tara, asan yung tara?
Anong tara? Anong tara?
Saan yung dili? Ano yung tara?
There's a Google, my dear.
Oh, yun.
Ang dami. Oh, thank you.
For two.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's a nice place.
Yeah.
Tara.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday!
You don't have to
Nasa
talaga.
mga tissue yun. Namibia.
Ito pala yung kala ko naman card. Ang galing.
So ayan guys, nagkakagulo na dun sa sa labas na ito, o yan sa likod. So mag-start na ang party ni Leslie, and Leslie, happy birthday, and sana mag-enjoy kayo ni Errol dun sa gift namin sa'yo, and sana matupad na yung iyong wish. And syempre kasama ka sa prayer ko. So, ayun, happy birthday. And ayun, mag-enjoy tayo. Mag-party na tayo. Let's go! Message to Leslie. Happy birthday, Timarma! Message to Leslie.
Happy birthday! Wish you more birthday.
Message to Leslie.
Happy birthday, Leslie! I love you so much!
Message to Leslie.
Happy birthday, Tol!
Woo! Ano sabi mo kanina? Let's get
Go
wild.
crazy!
Message to Leslie.
Berto, tagal na natin magka-tarantaduhan.
Message kay Leslie.
Happy birthday, Leslie. Naway kayo humaba ang iyong buhay pala.
Birthday wish to Leslie. Birthday wish. Ikaw pa kuma. Oh, alam ko maganda ka. Thank you. I love you. Late ka. Visit ka. Oh, birthday wish.
Ako, birthday wish. Magkabibig ka na. Sayang ang blue
Kiss
eyes.
ko, Bessie. Ay, na. Birthday wish to Leslie. Or 5 points. 5 points.
Hoy, itaas 7 points na kayo. 7 points na. Happy birthday, Leslie.
Birthday wish to Leslie.
Happy birthday!
Birthday wish to Leslie.
Hi! Happy birthday! Welcome to the club!
Mamo, birthday wish to Leslie. Happy birthday wish to Leslie. Happy birthday. Birthday wish to Leslie.
Yun, magka-baby na lang sila.
Yeah, of course. Everyone's wishing for that. Birthday wish.
Birthday wish. Birthday wish.
Birthday wish.
More children.
Just one baby.
Yes. Thank you. Birthday wish.
Happy birthday, Leslie!
Ang bilis!
Effort to the highest level. Danisa!
Okay.
Okay, this one, Papa. Down.
There we go.
Your price is very low.
Ito yun eh, oh. Oh, total performer.
Thank you very much. Ano? It's a pleasure. I'm very touched.
Please.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
One more. Mommy. Okay.
There we go.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
There we go. Marvelous.
Okay, let's leave.
Hello, kayo.
VIP.
Oh, that's a new song. Hold on, the drum. That's the one. That's the correct one.
Lasinggero eh.
Nasa correct na ba? Okay na kami.
Gusto mo ng memories?